welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're back in our storage room and laundry room, and we keep going with it. We are gonna work on the framing of the cabinets here. So there's gonna go cabinets, and on top is gonna go countertop. So we're gonna get started with the framing of that. Before we get started, I want to thank everyone for subscribing. We hit finally 50k. It was pretty much a 1-year battle to hit this 50k milestone for us. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Not everyone who watches our videos is subscribed. It just helps improve our channel. And we had a bit of a gap with no videos. If you haven't seen the short we made, it was 2 new goat babies have arrived to our farm. And so we have a lot of responsibility to nurture them back up to health. So it's already going pretty good. So yeah, Desmond is gonna have that on her channel. But yes, let's get started with framing this.
And thank you so much for the 50k from me as well behind the camera. Let us know what ways to do something special. We are thinking. But it kind of went under because of like many things happening.
Yeah, and the weather being pretty bad.
Okay, let's get started with that. But it's not going anywhere.
pretty good. So as you can see, we are done with the framing. It is very solid and very nice. So we are pretty much ready to put cupboards in here and ready for the countertop. We just need to go pick it up. And another thing you may have noticed, we have lifted up the boiler on stilts. So we wanted to put it on a frame instead, just because we don't trust this old clay wall of holding the boiler up. We have a bit of splash of paint that went everywhere that we had to clean up. That's why the boiler has smudges on. Not the prettiest, but this is all done. At least it's all nice and strong. There is absolutely no movement in this. I feel like we did a really good job, and yeah, I can't wait to see it all done. Of course, we have to also paint all of these sides and everything. We want to all paint it nice one color. So probably all the wood is also just gonna get painted. We're just gonna coat everything. Just gonna put some sheets not to get the floors dirty and paint all of it. Sorry this video is a bit short. We do have a small goat baby to take care of. That's why we are kind of busy and more distracted and hard to keep up, and also the snow outside didn't help at all. More on that on Desi's channel as well, you're gonna see. But hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
I don't know if we mentioned, but the countertop that we're getting is the same one as
yeah,
the
big
kitchen
massive countertop we're getting.
Yeah. Plus, there's gonna be a sink here. And let us know if we should do cupboards or slides, like drawers like we did up there. Because we were thinking. So let us know.